Just simply come on to this website, sign up for absolutely free, paste the link over here, click on shorten. After that, copy the shortened link and then come over to this secret website, and now you're making a lot of money all in passive income, all on autopilot. Hi guys, I'm back with a brand new way to make $670 in free PayPal money every single day. Only you and your free time is all that you need, and these websites are not geo-restricted either, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. But guys, make sure not to skip any step in this video, because if you do, there's a high risk that you might miss out on an important step that will otherwise make your profit a lot higher. And before I start, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel as well to never miss out on any new opportunity to earn some cash online. And without any further ado, let's jump into step number 1. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to shrinkme.io. Now guys, shrinkme.io is basically a link shortening service through which you can make money. So how does it work? They pay upwards of up to $220 per 10,000 views that your link gets. Now guys, I know right now you guys might not understand what I'm talking about, but as you watch along with me, you will understand everything. So how do you start? You simply create an absolutely free account on this website, you shorten your link, and then you earn money. Now guys, which link are you gonna shorten? I'm gonna show you in step number 2, but before that, I'm gonna tell you all the important stuff. So why should you join shrinkme.io? Now guys, firstly, because you can earn a lot of money. Now guys, I'm not talking about a couple of cents, I'm talking about literal money, like literally full-time income. And the second reason is that they offer a 20% referral bonus. So basically, if you were to refer this website to your friends or family, and if they were to sign up and follow this exact strategy and start making thousands of dollars, you will be able to make whatever they make, but just 20% of it. So let's say your best friend makes $10,000 after watching this video, but he joined through your referral link. Well, then you, my friend, have made $2,000, all just for the fact that you referred them on this website. They also have a featured administration panel, so basically they are at the top of their game, and then they will also provide you with detailed stats, and they also have the lowest minimum payout. You are required to earn only $5 before you will be paid. They can pay all users via their PayPal. Now after that, they also have the highest rates. They have the most rates out of any other website. So they are gonna give you industry leading rates that you are not gonna get simply on any other website. So after that, we have some more information. So they have over 17 million total clicks, they have over 11 million URLs, and they have over 874,000 users. Now guys, why am I telling you all of this stuff? Now the reason is that whenever you see all of these stats, it tells you how good of a website it is. So basically, if this website had 1,000 views or 1,000 clicks, well then this website might not be stable and it could just simply close down tomorrow. But after seeing these stats, I can rest assured that this website is legit and it is not going anywhere anytime any soon, and I can definitely rely on this. And then at the bottom, we have all these different payout methods which you can use to cash out. So guys, once you've read all of this, simply click on register at the top right corner, and then from over there, simply fill out the registration form by putting in a unique username, by putting in your email address, your password again, and that is it. Now you can even sign in with Google, but I'm not gonna suggest you do that because you have to make sure your privacy comes first. So guys, this was step number 1, and I'm gonna catch you guys in step number 2 once you've signed up successfully. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you've signed up successfully, you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So over here, you have your total views, you have your total earnings, you have your referral earnings, and then you also have your average CPM. Now below that, you have some featured rates. So basically, they are saying that rates have been increased for the following countries. So if you live in Brazil, Spain, India, or Vietnam, well then congratulations, you will earn more money now. So once you take a look over here, you will be able to see that over here you have all your stats as well. Now guys, once you start making money, make sure to keep close track of all your stats, because you have to make sure where your money is coming from and where your money is going. So guys, at the left side, simply click on new shortened link, and then once you have a link, simply paste it over here and you are done with this website. So guys, now I'm going to show you what link to get and where to get it from. Simply come on to to youtube.com. Now guys, once you come on to youtube.com, what I want you to do is that I want you to type in something which is very trending all the time. So we all know that people are getting fat every single day, so weight loss is always on the trend. So I'm gonna type in plank. So once I type in plank tutorial, because this is what most people want to see anyways. So over here we have the first video with 9.9 million views. We have the second one with 400,000 views. We have the third one with 19, and then below that we have all the videos above 1 million views. So guys, after taking a look at all of this data, I can for sure with confidence say that this search is trending and many people are looking for this content, because all the videos over here have over 1 million views. So you can rest assured that this is definitely gonna help you make money. So guys, what I want you to do is that simply pick the video that you think is the best. So I personally like this video, or maybe some other video, something like this one. So what I want you to do is that I want you to click on the video that you like. After that, simply scroll down and watch this video from the start till the end. Now once you watch this video from the start till the end, you will know that this video is legit and this is not any scammy video. So once you've done that, simply click on share, and then after that simply copy this link. Now once you have this link copied, you can simply come back to shrinkme.io, paste that link over here, click on shorten, and there you go, you have your shorten link. Now you can start sharing this shorten link and you can make money for every single person that comes onto this link. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump into step number 3, where I will show you what you need to do to get yourself traffic. Step number 3. So in step number 3, I want you to type in the Google weight loss, and then after that type in forum. So once you type in weight loss forum, you will have all these searches come up. I want you to open up a couple of forums. Now once you open up a couple of forums, just make sure that they are all over here, and then just simply open up as many as you can, basically how many you want, because the more you have it, the more money you will make. So once you have this open, what I want you to do is that I want you to join all of these forums one by one. So basically join this one, join this one, join this, join this. Now once you are in these forums, just simply send out a post saying, if you want to see the perfect plank, click on this link, and then after that paste this link over there. So guys, once you do that, people are gonna click on your link, and whenever they click on your link, they will go over to the video we got from YouTube, and they will enjoy the video and their time will not be wasted. But the catch is that you will have made money over here on your dashboard. It is that simple, and people have literally built empires because of this method. Now guys, I know it might not be easy from the start, but you have to be consistent, do this every single day, and you will start to see results. Now guys, you can do the same for every single of these websites over here. So you can start to do this with Facebook groups as well, or with forums if you just want to stick with forums. But the potential is there, the people are there. You just have to be careful with how you want to go about this. You can even create a YouTube video about this and then simply put this link at the description, and you will get people coming from YouTube as well. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So guys, this was the video. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.